Hey guys, look at the nails, look at the nails. So today we are going to be opening our mystery treasure box and mystery treasure bag from GlitzAccessoriesAndSuch. I personally love this brand because they go so hard on Instagram. Like, they work around the clock, and it's like one of those things where they say, when you do what you love, you'll never have to work a day in your life. And that's the vibes that I get. So I definitely wanted to support them. I believe every package that they send out will come with this little thank you card and a little surprise glitter. So they also specialize in the application of the glitz accessories and such. So they tell you how to do that correctly. They gave me the eye hole gel, which is cool. I like it. Personally, I don't really use that gel that much though. It's so messy. I got the little net with the foil, which I'm excited to use. Then we have the Gucci decals, transfer foil. And we have the Chanel. Okay, sis. I really love this one, actually. I'm going to do a set with that soon. I literally died when I saw these. Look it. They're so adorable. Oh, I cannot wait for spring because I'm definitely using these. I'm going all out. In spring, I'm doing nothing but yellow nails. I swear. These are so cute, and they're holographic, which I can imagine using these with my butterfly stickers that are holographic that I have, because they come with like some little greenery, but it's nothing compared to those, and that's really cool. What do they call this? Pixie dust? Like, is it called pixie dust? Nail pixie dust? I don't know, but yeah, y'all know what that stuff is. I haven't done any nails like that, so I'm going to be using that soon. Then we have some actual glitz accessories. Okay, we got a whole bunch of fruit, you guys. This little thing came with so much fruit inside of it, so much female. I'm excited. And then we have these little things, which are super cute. I'm trying to think. It would be so cool to do a whole nail with those. The 5D gel I was so excited about. It's just that it came in a color that I probably don't know what to do with. So I'm still thinking about that for some nail designs. The 420 bag, I wish they had a 420 treasure box. Maybe they did, but I don't think that they did, but I would totally get it. But for now, we have the 420 treasure bag, which is what I was most excited about. I just got the treasure box to see like the volume as far as like what would be in it. Like, is it really worth the money? Which I think it definitely is. So we have this cute glitter, which makes me think of some St. Patrick's Day vibes for some reason. It's so cute. I don't know what to do with that glitter, honestly, because it's all over the place. Then we have these, which I love. I love the little gold caviar beads. I haven't messed around with those that much, but I do plan on it in the future. And then we have this yellow iridescent striping tape, which I thought was so cool. I should actually do a full set with that. That would be so awesome. And then next we have lots and lots of goodies. I was shocked at how much stuff came. So we have these little gold leaves, which are so cute. And then we have green emeralds. I'm just here for it. Like, OMG, it's the shape and the outline for me, like that frame, that gold frame. We have another little thank you card. So I think that comes with everything. And then we have the weed leaf. The 420 leaves, which I love. And look at this, you guys. We got some money decals. So I have everything laid out, and as you guys can see, there is a lot of stuff, and there's not only a lot of stuff, but a lot of variety. Until next time, you guys, I'll see you soon. And I'll also be sharing how I created the butterfly set that I'm wearing today too. So I'll holla you guys. Peace.